How about you knowing your ingredient before you start using them for any of the product you're making? Because now we're about to make our Abebee white serum. Because a lot of people they be trying to use some formula which they don't know. But I tell you, yes, we're using original powders that you know they will be working, and not only working for whitenings but also they will work for treatment as well. So watch us as we produce this. It is very simple for you to make this, very simple. You see, all of the oils we use are all natural oils, all right, not synthetic at all, including the powders. You can see, so what we're about producing, we're about making up to just let's say 5 liters thereabout, or 6 liters. But do not forget that I said all the oils that you will use original oils and oils that are being extracted from plants, not synthetic. Don't go and use petroleum oil, not at all. All right, all are oils that are being extracted from plant. So like as I said, what we are producing today is a baby white serum. Now you can see as I'm trying to add up all the oils, because I did made use of 3 type of oils. One thing you must have in mind when making any of your formula, try to understand the ingredient. How are they? Are they penetrators or both? All right, so this oil, instead of me using any oil that would not penetrate the skin, I decide to use oils that will penetrate the skin, and also, you know, they will always work accordingly the way I want it. So you can see our skin. So I'm trying to set the skin. All right, yes, this oil that we're about using, they will always smooth the skin, moisturize the skin, and also, you know, make sure that every irritant is being removed from the skin. So now the scale is giving me some kind of different you know, calculations that I do not want, so I'm trying to set it back, put it in the right mood, and also make it count from 0. All right, because some scales you see they will give you 1 gram, 2 gram, whereas they are not, you know, they will be showing something else. So that is what this scale is trying to do while I'm trying to adjust it. But I think we have no option, we just have to move on after setting the scale. On our see our powders that we are using in here, I have about 6 powders. All right, yes, I have about 6 powders that I've already you know, mixed together, you know, with the actual quantity I needed, all right, to make this product. So I just have to mix them together. They are very effective whitening and also moisturizer, and also, you know, humectant also. So it is what it is. So I just turn them inside the oil. So what do I have to do? I think I will start properly. You can see the one with pink color, I have done that one before. All right, but it still don't give me the actual what I want. So let me do this one and mix both together, because it is what it is. If you are using powders, please don't use synthetic powders. What I mean by synthetic powders, powders that are made from, you know, chemicals. That's what I actually meant by synthetic powder. Yes, you can use any powder, you can even use the synthetic, but this particular one I'm making, I do not use synthetic powder. All right, so I'm just gonna take this solution I'm gonna take now is very effective. So I'm gonna use 1 cover, just 1 cover. You see what I'm doing? I just 1 cover, because the solution is very effective. All right, please guys, note that this video I'm putting it out there for you to learn it at home. You can always do it the way I did it now. You can always do it. And if you know that you don't want to get white, you don't want to get white, so don't go there. All right, because all of the product I'm using right now, like especially the powders, these are what we call powders that can easily, block the enzymes. Okay, yes, they can block. They are inhibitors to tyrosinase. So you know what that means. Every human tyrosinase, they produce your melanin. So this product, now when you use this product, it will always block your melanin. The two type of melanin you have, this product will block this melanin, and from spreading, from regenerating, or from growing. And when the melanin is blocked, know that your pigment is gone. So what I'm doing now, it will always lighten you 100%. That is it. It will lighten you 100%. So I just have to take it carefully and turn back, because I want everything to dissolve and also to be crystal clear. You see, by the time we end this now, you will see everything crystal clear. That is the product that we are making. All right, no, not some junks formulation. No, you will see that everything, it look like water, crystal clear. So it is what it is because of the powders that we use. We use original powders and we use original oils. Like I told you, in here we have oils that will moisturize your skin, oils that will exfoliate your skin, oils that will penetrate inside the skin, and do their work. So it is what it is. Have that in mind, that when you're producing, use oils that will make your skin free from irritant, not oils that will clog your skin. So at least we are done.